What's up, guys? Afro Thunder here. We're going to do a review on the Sense Cyclone today. On the back, I kind of started reading it. It made me laugh quite a bit because it says that the Cyclone is one of the gods of Mayan myth creation. Cyclones are extremely powerful. It happens when the sea surface temperature rises to 50 degrees Celsius. It is said that the Cyclone might be the reason the dinosaurs disappeared 65 million years ago. Cyclone, no one can stop it. Are you curious about how powerful it is? Come together with Sense to feel the charm and power of Cyclone. You know, that right there, that really grabbed my attention. And on the box itself, you know, the tank's pretty awesome. Got a little dinosaur on it saying, enjoy your vaping at 150 watts. So we're going to test that to see if it actually can do 150 watts. So when you first open the box, you know, it's very simple. It's apparently appear to be struggling here with it, of course. But when you open it up, you know, you get the tank. You know, it's pretty impressive. It's got a 5 mil capacity. Comes with an extra coil and everything in the package. So, you know, first things first, when you first see it, you're like, yes. Got a nice, it's very aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Great airflow, it seems. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out and make sure that everything it is. So another cool feature about this tank when I found out about it, and this is what Heracles were missing from the previous Sense tank, that was the top fill feature. They added it to the Heracles Hydra, but that's more of a, you know, not really exactly a Cloud Chaser's tank. But we're gonna find out if this, you know, cuts the tape. So, got the little top fill feature. Drip catch, which I found absolutely fascinating. I don't know if you guys can check that out, but that looks really little ridges. So it seems like it's going to prevent it from, you know, getting the juice in your mouth. It might even spin. It does spin. That it does. Top fill feature is very simple to use. Got the nice big wide hole, so you know you can make sure you can fill it up. Dude, it's awesome. All right, so let's check out this coil. So coil's obviously at the bottom, or else, you know, I think we've evolved enough as vapors to know that coils belong at the bottom of a tank. Oh, that's pretty nice. 0.6 ohms, just says 150 watts on it. Seems to be vertical. Nice mesh. Seems like a fatter design of the original Heracles. So we're gonna go ahead, get that all set up. So, yeah, water cooler bubbled. All right, so, oh yeah, inside of the package comes with the instruction manuals. Open that up real quick, off screen. Comes with the extra coil and an extra glass. And we all know how it happens when we drop our tanks. So, extra glasses are usually appreciated. So, at first fill, there's a little feature here that allows you to control your juice. So, as you twist and turn the device, you adjust airflow and you adjust liquid control. Seems very simple, very easy to use. Doesn't really seem to be too bad. The airflow looks awesome. I actually just crafted a new flavor just for this video today for At Cloud Chemistry. It's called Bane's Headlock. It's a nice combination of apricot, honeydew, apples, and acai berry. I think it's going to be awesome. We're going to make sure this gets all nice and set up. Oh, now one thing I did notice about the Cyclone that most people will probably get a little upset about, but I don't see what's the big deal. It does have a proprietary drip tip, which means that if you want to try and put any other drip tip on it, it's not happening. No other standard 510 is going to fit in this, just the Cyclone's drip tip. So let's start off at 70 watts. That should be all right. Well, I'm impressed. Very impressed. You hear the little Cyclone S asking, you can hear the drip catch spinning in there. It's actually quite fascinating. I like it a lot. So we're going to go ahead and see if its claims are true. We're going to crank this all the way up to 150 watts using my Segelei 150 temperature control. Just so we can all see that. 150 watts. Let's go ahead and rock it. Well, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well, I'm digging the 5 mil capacity, though. See, it is going to be a little hard to discern where it is because the extra capacity is actually hidden underneath the Cyclone symbols. So, I'm going to say overall, you know, flavor-wise, definitely could use a little bit of improvement. But then again, you have that much airflow, can't complain too much. Now, the other thing I forgot to mention, it does have a top airflow. Now, that seems to be a really big trend in these tanks these days. I'm not really sure why, but we're gonna open it up and see how it improves the vape. little wispier, more air, not bad. Let's try half choked. My apologies for that one. Yeah, that'll definitely do it. So overall, I think what we learned today is that not all sequels are horrible. Sense definitely made a great improvement with the Cyclone over the Heracles and the Hydra. Definitely enjoy the flavor a lot. That flavor actually popped out once I half choked the top airflow. 150 watts, not an issue. 70 VG, heard it can handle max, but we're gonna save that for you guys to test out. I don't know about you guys, but I do enjoy my flavor. So this should definitely do it. Now, if you like what you saw, just always remember to follow me at Cloud Chemistry, and at Afro Thunder CC. I post up new juice flavors, new vape stuff, general news. And don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to hear more reviews about new mods that are coming out in the market. All right, guys, remember, stay thunderous, stay Afro-y, always vape.